Hi, I'm Patty Richardson, and I am your student's teacher cadet teacher. So teacher cadet is a really exciting class that I thoroughly enjoy teaching, and this group of students this year have just been amazing, and I truly believe they're going to change the world. So what I've done with these kids, or what they do, is they actually get to a behind the scenes look at teaching. So a couple things for you to be aware of is I have been teaching for 28 years. I have two students, one who has gone through the district and has graduated. She graduated in 2019 and is at GRCC now, just having changed her major and moving back from Michigan Tech. And then I have a son who's a senior who is on the football team, wrestling team, and track. So sometimes you might see me if you have students that are in any of those sports. So with this class, what we're going to do is the kids are going to hook up with a teacher in one of our other buildings, and they get a chance to work with that teacher in a mentor mentee type situation. So they will actually be in those classes for 4 days a week, and I will see them 1 day a week. And then on those 4 days, they're working with their teacher, planning lessons, teaching lessons, working in small groups, monitoring playground stuff, working one-on-one with students, and just overall helping the kids in those classes and in those grade levels. For the students here in the teacher cadet to get a chance to see what does it really take to be a teacher. So we've started looking at some of the things that a teacher has to be aware of about how students have different strengths and weaknesses, and how can we celebrate all students and help students with their weaknesses, because all students have different weaknesses, and figuring those out. In terms of their grade, a majority of their grade comes from the feedback from their mentor teachers. And then the other piece is that they're writing reflections to me about some of the things that we discuss in class. And then I actually go out and observe them in their classrooms too. So if you want to see what they're doing, you can go to FHPS.net, click on the Canvas link, and set up an observer account. And when you're an observer, you get a chance to see their website, which is this. And when you're on this page, you can see their calendar that we work on through the whole semester, or the daily agenda. The daily agenda looks like this, and it's what's on the screen for students every day. Links to the videos that we watch in class, information about what they're learning, and then it goes through each week, so they have those details. So if a student is ever absent, they can go on there and see what maybe they missed and know what they would need to make up. But the majority of the work is going to be in their placements, and they'll be starting in their placements not next week, but the following week is when they'll actually get there and be going. My email is here, so if you ever have questions, you can shoot me an email. It's the best way to get a hold of me. And I can then get back to you usually within 24 hours. So again, I'm really looking forward to the school year and excited to work with your students.